In this video, I'm going to show you the 10 most essential points of what you are going to do immediately after you have uploaded your video to YouTube. The very first thing you are going to do is to write a click-worthy title for your video. This is very important because this is actually the first thing that people are going to see apart from the thumbnail. And when writing this, you have to make it very clear, concise, and make sure that all the keywords, the relevant keywords for your video are contained in this your title. Make it also to be psychologically evocative. Make it emotional so that anyone that sees it will have a reason to click on it. Meanwhile, if you're seeing my video for the first time, I am Bat and I make videos that will help you to grow your YouTube fast and avoid the mistake that beginners normally make. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. And if you like what we are doing, please subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon so that you'll be able to get our video whenever they drop. Number 2, create an eye-catching thumbnail for your video. Design a thumbnail that visually tells the story and then creates curiosity or evokes curiosity for the video. Make it in such a way that anyone that sees it will have to click on it. Make it to stand out among the list of all other videos that people are going to see when they scroll. Make sure that you create a high contrast between the wordings there and make sure that the details are not too much. Normally it contains 3 things: your picture, a diagram, and then the wordings themselves. Make sure even your facial expression, it tells the story. Use the colors that are very contrasting so that they stand out. Do not make them to be too worded. Number 3, write a fully SEO-optimized description of your video. This should include relevant keywords in the first 2 lines of your video, and this description should be a summary of the whole video. And then it should contain CTAs like subscribe and then like. It should also contain various links and what you should invite your viewers to watch next. Then if you don't know how to write this best, normally I use ChatGPT. You can copy your title, video title, and then paste it in ChatGPT. It will help you to generate that. Just ask it, generate a fully optimized description for this video. It will do that for you. If you don't like that, then you tweak 1 or 2 things there and then put in the relevant links. If you want to have even a better optimized description for this, go to your subtitle, copy the subtitle you have already, that is generated subtitle in your link, in your video, and then copy it to ChatGPT and tell him to summarize this to make a 1-paragraph description out of this your subtitle, just like you have seen me doing here. It will actually help you to be able to get a wonderfully optimized description for your video. Number 4, add relevant tags. This is very important to be able to increase the SEO of your video. How do you do this? You can do that manually by simply going to the tag box. For instance, this is our tag box, and then adding the tags. After each one, you add comma there. For instance, here, I will just add YouTube tutorial. I put comma, and then that one comes. Now, there is a difference between just simple words and then what you call long tail tags. You can see here, what I have here, YouTube mobile upload is different from YouTube or mobile or upload. Write it in the way that people can search for it. People will not just come and search tags. They can do that, but when you say YouTube tags, it differs from what you call something like TikTok tags. Now, when you're able to do that, you call it long tail tags. If you are confused, you don't know the relevant tags for your video, what you can do, what I normally do, is to go to my subtitle and then copy it and then transform it, put it into ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to create something like 20 tags for me that will be relevant to that. And then from there, I select the ones I need and then tweak it or tweak them to suit my audience. Now, another thing that you have to know here is that the best thing you can do is to write what people are actually searching for. How do you know what people are actually searching for? For each of the video, for instance, if you are doing something like YouTube tags, if you are talking about YouTube tags, when you search for YouTube tags on your search engine, then you scroll down, you will see people also ask, what are people searching for? You see, what are good tags for YouTube? What are tags in YouTube? How to go viral tags? With this, you already know. You can add this as your YouTube long tail tags. It's very important that you know this. because you may end up writing things that are irrelevant or what people are not actually searching for. The keywords for the title should also be an integral part of this task. Number 5, choose the right category for your video. Now, if you are doing a series of videos that pertain to a particular niche, it's better that you set it from the word go and set that particular niche in that particular category. For instance, when we go down in my own video, this video, you can see this is how to and style. You can see here that we have many categories or what we call niche. Autos and vehicle for those who are talking about automobiles, comedy for comedians, education for everything about education. But then if the education is about a particular niche, something like how to do something, then you leave it for, because education is very broad, you come down and then use how to and style. Sometimes also you have a particular video that even though it is something like a music, it's a contains music, but then it is not just talking about music. You are not releasing music, but you are teaching something about music. Like in my own case, one of my channels is about teaching. Some of the videos will not actually fall into music. They will fall into how to and style. I hope we are still together. Make sure that you hang on because the upcoming points are even more important than the ones that we have mentioned. And in fact, number 9 and 10 are often overlooked by new YouTubers, and this costs them a lot of views. And if you have any question or you need any clarification, do well to leave a comment in the comment section. And if this video gives you some value, consider subscribing to this channel and clicking on the bell icon so that you'll be able to get our videos whenever they drop. Number 6, set up your subtitle, your end screens, and then your iCards. These 3 are found below the uploaded video at the top right hand side of your uploading interface. Immediately the video, you see the video link, and then you see the file name, and then the visibility. Of course, this has been published before. Normally, this thing should be in the private, but this video is a video I have published before. So you see the subtitle. When you click on the subtitle, normally after uploading, when you have enabled your subtitle, you will not be able to see the subtitle that are automatically generated from your video. Before you're able to generate it, you have to first of all to select the language. When you're uploading, you select the language of your video. After about 2 or 3 hours, then this particular video, depending on the length of the video, then these subtitles are there. You're setting them up means going to correct the things that are not well there. You read through them and then correct everything that are not there. It is through this subtitle that you can you can copy it and then ask ChatGPT from there to generate a description of your video for you. You can also from there ask it to generate the tags for it, or you can use simply the title. Okay, when you have finished everything here, you click on done. Then the end screen, you select any of them. There are many options there. I have actually done a video here on how to do that. The whole uploading process, you can check this video and see how these things are done. Then another one, card, the iCards, you select your iCards. When you have done that, then you proceed to the next stage. Number 7, add your video or videos to playlist or create a playlist yourself. Now, what are playlists? Playlists are series of videos that treat almost the same topics. When you group them together, you have more chances of increasing your watch time and then of session duration in your channel. And this actually makes YouTube to know that you have value, that your videos have value, and it will increase how it recommends it to others, or it recommends your videos to others. So make sure you add your videos to playlists. Now I'm going to show you how you can easily create a playlist. Once you click here, you will see create playlist or new playlist, create new playlist. And then when you click on it, you name the playlist and then describe it. It doesn't matter if you describe it, then add the public, add it, put it in public, not in private. Even if you put it in public, all the videos that you are uploading newly that are private, even if they are here in public, it doesn't make, they will not be shown to the public. So make sure you create a playlist or playlists of various topics that you are treating, similar topics, so that when they finish one, they will be recommended. Another one will be recommended to them. This is very important to increase your watch time. Number 8, schedule your videos. Make sure you schedule your videos and make them public only at the right time when your audience is most active. When you go to your video analytics, you'll be able to see, and showing it now on my screen. YouTube should tell you the time when your audience are most active. For instance, when you go to this one, now this is already public, but I can schedule it. If it is a song, then I'll schedule like stop public, then the time, and then the time zone. You have to consider the time zone. Number 9, enable auto captions or upload your own captions if you have one. Now I'm going to show you how you can easily enable your auto captions so that you'll be able to have your auto caption generated once you upload your video. But you're going to give it time, something like about 2 or 3 hours immediately after uploading your video. This shows you also the reason why after uploading your video, you should never make it public until at least 6 hours. The ideal is 24 hours. So let me tell you now how you can easily enable your auto captions. When you go to your settings, that is on your desktop studio, you go to upload defaults, then go to advanced settings. Make sure that you change the language and caption verification. You change this to the language that you normally upload. This is default. For me, English. I normally do it in English. And then title and description language is in English. Then caption verification, none. When you have done this, then save. When you have done it, or when you are uploading, when you are filling up everything, when you also come to this particular place where your language is required, once you are able to put the language in which that video is in, then you have done the much you can. You now allow YouTube for some hours to be able to generate it. You know that it has generated it when you click on subtitle here, and then you're able to see it here. When you click here, you can easily download the subtitle, or you clear the subtitle if you don't want, or you upload new ones if you have, or you edit it. When you click here, you see you can easily edit the things that are not correct here. So once you are okay with it, then you save. Once you have done this, you see that the things will be coming out here. Now, whenever anyone is playing that, when he clicks on the auto caption icon on his interface on YouTube, you'll be able to see the language. The beautiful thing about it here is that once you're able to keep this in, anyone who is in another language, maybe French, maybe Italian, maybe any other language, can easily click on this and be able to understand it in his own language. This is very important because once YouTube has captured the caption of your video, it can now translate it to other languages when your viewers require that aspect. So you are going to take this very seriously, because if you do it well, then your video can be pushed to even beyond the boundaries of your own language. Number 10, share your videos, but do not share your video links. What do I mean? Share the thumbnails of your videos and then tell people about your video, and then tell them to go to your video channel to watch them. Now, why do I say this? This was one of the mistakes I personally was making. Immediately after releasing my songs and then their video, I will share them and share the links on Facebook and on WhatsApp and all that. And people will click on those links to go. Now, it is when you're growing, it may be good, but it doesn't speak so well about your CPM, cost per mile. When you share the links, it actually doesn't count. But when people come to your channel, it will count. But when you are growing, you see that you still need viewership. People need to know about you. You can share this and allow people to know and discover what you are doing. You have many places to share this: Facebook, TikTok, X, Instagram, and many other places. And most importantly, sometimes you go also to various sites that are actually searching for the answer that you have just provided. Maybe something like Quora. Those places you can see someone who is asking about this and then put your own answer. After answering, then you share the link for this. It will help people to discover what you are doing and how you are doing. When you are doing fine, they will discover and then they will subscribe. Reaching this point, I wish to encourage you once again in your YouTube journey. I recommend you this video that will help you to have a complete checklist of what you need to do, both before and after you have uploaded, to be able to gain more views.